So this morning I really feel like I want an egg and cheese wrap for breakfast. So look at the cheese, it's melting inside. So delicious. So these ingredients, we're going to use a piece of scallion, onion, tomato. I need 4 eggs, a little piece of bell pepper, and that Velveeta cheese there. Yes. Also the wrap. So I'm gonna dice the seasonings: onion, scallion, bell pepper, and tomato. Now I'm gonna break 2 eggs because I'm making 2 rolls. One for me and one for Obi. So 2 eggs to a roll. I remove the yolks because it make your egg raw, and I don't like a lot of pepper, so I gotta remove it. So now I'm adding the bell pepper, the tomatoes, the onions, and the scallion. I add a little tubes of cayenne pepper, but for some reason it wasn't recording. Up next, we're just going to add a little piece of butter and just use the brush to make sure that the pan is greased. I'm gonna like toast the wrap for a little bit. And now I'm gonna add the eggs. My husband likes his eggs well done, but I don't. So guys, the seasoning, I like it to be crunchy, so that's why I put it in the egg. When I'm biting into that roll, I want to be chewing the onion. I must hear it crunching on my teeth, so I don't want my season to cook too much. Okay, so that's it. I kind of just scramble the egg. Not me. I would stop mine long time. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that aside, and then I'm going to add the roll. Just putting the egg in the middle. Now I'm just gonna add some cheese right here. So what I did was grate the Velveeta cheese. Yep, and that's it. I'm just gonna roll it over, and this is gonna sit on the fire for like 10 minutes on a low fire. So just wrap it. I've been holding the camera so I could show you guys, so you didn't get to see how I wrap it, but I guess you know how to wrap things. And that's it for the video. Please remember to hit that like button.